Hey, good morning. This is Alan Buchanan, and I provide location advice for owners and occupants of industrial buildings in Southern California. And welcome to another edition of Tuesday Traffic Tips for this glorious Tuesday in sunny Southern California. Today, I want to talk to you about deadlines. You know, we in the commercial real estate business deal with a lot of deadlines. Deadlines for options to renew, deadlines for options to purchase, deadlines in escrows, deadlines with lease expirations. So what do you do if your client misses a deadline? You know, it can be a really big deal. If a client misses an option to renew or purchase, as we all know, those deadlines are times of the essence and in effect can go away. But I believe it's imperative when a client misses a deadline to analyze why. Did you set the time frames too short in an escrow? Did you agree to a time frame that was impossible to achieve? As an example, did you say you could get your financing in 30 days when in fact you knew it was going to take 45 to 60 days? So in fact, did you create the problem? So I think at the baseline, you have to analyze why the missed deadlines occurred. You know, secondly, I think you have to really look at how to cure it. In other words, if the intention is such that someone wants to continue on with an escrow, someone in fact wants to stay in a building that missed an option, I think you have to basically go to the owner of the property and you got to plead your case. You got to say, look, we have done everything in our power to get this financing accomplished. We need additional time. Or our client really wants to stay in the building, but we missed the option to purchase or option to renew. And so consequently, please, have mercy on us and allow us to extend the escrow and or stay in the building. So analyze the source of the issue, and then in some cases, you just flat have to go to the owner and beg for forgiveness. This is Alan Buchanan. I hope that you don't miss any deadlines this week. Tuesday Traffic Tips. Make it a wonderful week.